how much time we got. 13 minutes, that should be enough. Right, we're in the old flat, random video. I don't know what the sound's like. There seems to be some kind of microphone issue. I don't know if that actually affected the sound. I know it's a bit annoying. But it might be affecting the sound. Have to let me know if it's actually affecting it. Anyway, I just had a call from the neighbours, and Linda's eldest son has come back from of all places, China. Kojo's come back from China and he's brought some goodies. I've no idea what is there. There's a couple of other things I want to show as well in the old flat, but I've been made dinner. I've got to heat it up, but there's also this little packet I've just got through the cling film. I don't know what's even in it, whether it's food or candy or knickknacks, but it's all away from China. So when I was young, it would be unheard of for me at junior school or high school to even go to somewhere like China. And having to pay £3,000, the parents having to pay that amount of money, and it's pretty much compulsory, or you'll be let down, you know. I just don't know what to say. But when I was a kid, that would never have happened. Maybe we go to an away day at flipping Godstone Farm or Sir Philip Game Centre for a week or two to meet other kids, but never abroad. Anyway, we'll see what this package is that Kojo's brought back from China. Oh, they've probably not much in it, we'll have to see, but I'm expecting biscuits or candy or something. There's a panda on the front of it. China Conservation and Research Centre. A giant panda. So it's probably, yeah, it's candy and stuff. Little bits. Yeah. Biscuits of some description, I should imagine. Some kind of glutinous ball that may be similar to mochi. Candy. It's got a rabbit on it. White rabbit. A white rabbit. We got some candy. White rabbit. White rabbit candy. We've got candy. Chinese Pringles. We've got Chinese Pringles. And I've no idea what that is. Vacuum packed. Maybe some kind of jerky or a sweet or something. I've got no idea what that is. I'm not even sure what this is, to be honest. No, it's just Oreos, Chinese Oreos. Oh, of all the things. Yeah. God, it doesn't quite smell the same, does it? That's a different flavour. Oreos. Strawberry maybe. Complete with satanic cross. That's dinner. Right, so there's just a few little candy bits from China that Kojo gave me. Eldest boy next door. We've got this as well. Now Tony found this in the shed all wrapped, all folded up. It's a section of the Croydon Advertiser, and it's cars, advertising cars of the time. So we got Renault 5. We got Renault 5 there. We got the Peugeot 309. Maestro, Austin Rover Maestro. The Selsdon Garage. Leafwoods. Top part exchange prices or best possible deals. Selection of our guaranteed used cars. The Lambs Group. The lesser spotted GTI. I take it that's... Oh no, it's a Mitsubishi. It's actually Mitsubishi. Green Lane Mitsubishi. Mitcham, Surrey. Look at the phone numbers. Look, 01. Now it's before 01, before 0181, or before 0208. God, that's original. 01, 081, 0181, then 0208. God, Mitsubishi. And then we got Renault 5 as well. There's a Renault 5 there. Speed, 5-door, 5-speed, 5-door, 5-speed TR. Look at that, 6,000 quid, 6,230, 6,455, Renault 5. A GMW, again, 01 phone number. Stafford Road, Croydon, CMW, and then all the different cars on there. Going down to it's basically a frame. I unfolded it and then went into the cupboard, and the first frame that I picked out was the right size, literally the first frame. And I took all the staples off the back and all the masking tape. It's just black tape now, but it will do. But the colour on that, look at the colour on that. The date, Friday, January the 27th, 1989. It's 1989. God blimey, I was about 12, I think, something like that. Yeah, I think it was about 12 years old. Look at that frame. I had to get it and put in there. And luckily, the very first one I came out with, it fit it. And that is not all. Found this. It was literally left on the street. It was wrapped up with Fragile on it, and I'd unwrapped it, and look what I got. Look at that, a mirror, a full length mirror, and look, I'm full length as well. Look at this, completely wrapped up near Bingham Road, the corner of Bingham Road, next to the tram stop, Addiscombe tram stop. Crazy. Totally wrapped up. I mean, they wouldn't write Fragile on it if it was already broken. They just left it, wrote Fragile on it. And I've got 2 free towels as well. I've got these cheapo white 2 hotel towels, and there's another load of stuff as well. But this, look at that, a full length mirror. Full length. And this, I'm 6 foot something, so this is at least 5 foot or just under 5 foot mirror. That crazy. And you can see that I've got a jacket on. Look at the lining in this thing. Oh dear, crazy lining. It's actually a lady's jacket, but I don't really care, to be honest. But the back of it, we'll look at the back of it, I hope, without creating a disaster. Oh. Kalmsund. Now Kalmsund, I looked that up. IKEA, it's a brand new, unused IKEA mirror. It's even got hangers on it if you want to hang it up. Or may well hang it up in the hallway where it was standing. But Kalmsund, look at that. And it's got the stand here, but it's missing nuts and bolts. Crazy, absolutely crazy. And I had a look online, and that is £65 worth of mirror left on the street. They literally left £65 worth of mirror on the street for the taking. Crazy. Absolutely bonkers. But yeah, and I'm looking a bit eccentric today as well. So there you go, we've got a new mirror in the old flat. And a new jacket, which I think eventually will fit me if I can stretch the elbows out a bit. It's about as tight as the full green leather now. And we've got this, I've just framed this section of newspaper with a load of 1980s car advertising on. And we've got some little bits from China, sweets from China. Well, I don't know what this sounds like. Strawberry Oreo. But I think that's it now. Hopefully the sound won't be ghastly. Can't really guarantee it, to be honest. Impromptu video. That was very dry. Impromptu video. And I'll catch you on the next one.